From across the desert Southwest, this is 13 on your side.
Comfortable conditions outside, nice and clear skies. There's no haze right now either, and we look at 4th Avenue to provide that for us to give you an idea. And it's actually a little bit busier tonight. Not bad, but it is clear, and you'll notice our tower cam is not shaking quite like it was earlier where we had some of that wind. Our winds are still out of the north and northwest in Blythe at 10 miles per hour, but we've cut that in half. In Yuma, very nice and calm throughout Salton City, and also seeing the same, nice and calm in Welton. Very comfortable outside, and our current temperatures are feeling that as well, as we're still at 72 in Salton City, 68 in Mexicali, continuing to stay really comfortable throughout the area, even after what we saw earlier. I mean, it was beautiful today, but a little bit warmer, and overnight we're going to continue to see those clear skies with us throughout the day. So that's something to look forward to. But why are we continuing to stay clear, and what can we expect over the next several days? High pressure is still in control, which is our fair weather maker. And as we look at the jet stream to give us an idea of what we're going to see for the next several days, we really haven't seen much of a breakdown in this pattern. But, you know, this high pressure is staying in control. But this is the next spot that we look at right here. Look how we start to see a little bit of a storm system fold down. That's our next area of disturbed weather, and that's what's going to happen over the next several days as this system starts to take shape here in between these two systems. That's what we're going to see, some of that wind. As high and low pressure mix, they tend to break the winds up a little bit, and that's why we're seeing a high wind warning for the mountains in between San Diego and Imperial Valley. So if you're traveling between now and Friday, that's where we're going to see very high winds. As far as locally, here's what our winds are going to be. We're going to continue to see very blustery conditions straight out of the north between 15 and 20 miles per hour just about all day long tomorrow, and continuing to stay very, very breezy even for Thursday. So that's what we can expect in terms of winds. I don't expect too much in the way of visibility concerns. Generally, when we see that north breeze, it's not quite as dusty as that west breeze provides for us. But jet stream seeing this same system now moving a little bit to the south, and this is just the main flow of storms, but look how it's cut off from that. That means it's a slow moving one when it doesn't get into this main pattern of the winds taking it somewhere else. So it's just going to kind of hang around with us for a while, and even by Sunday, it lurks. So if we can get something, a little bit of moisture, maybe we've got the trigger there already, we might be able to see a few showers. And we look at the moisture map to show where all this humidity is. Really going to be a tough time to get that Gulf surge of moisture. That really kind of is what we need, but we'll get a little bit of a chance for it. Is it going to affect your rodeo weekend? Not quite, and we'll show you in detail. Breezy conditions tomorrow and then 85 on Thursday. Rodeo begins on Friday. Very nice to start the day. And then on Saturday, you got the split deal with the rodeo parade in the morning. Very nice. Not too cold right there. Warming up in a hurry. And then, of course, Valentine's Day. But I think the rain, or even a chance of that light rain, is going to hold off until late Sunday. And that's after the championship round of the rodeo. So very nice. And then, of course, for President's Day, it is Washington's birthday on Monday. Going to stay nice, but cooler, with a little chance of a few showers around. You'll notice our average high is 73 in Imperial Valley. And we're just not even close to it until we get to that Sunday or Monday where that weak frontal system passes through. But it is going to be near 90, no broken records, and it looks like a majority of your weekend is in good shape. We'll continue to track this storm for you and bring you the latest updates online. But for now, stay with us. We'll be right back.